Hello students, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Cat. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on three little words that can be very confusing. In, on, and at. These are prepositions of time and place. I'll explain why we say on the bus, in the car, on Christmas Day, and at Christmas. Let's start with prepositions of time. Think of these prepositions like a zoom lens. In is general, on is a bit more specific, at is very specific. In is used for general periods of time. For example, years. I was born in 2021. We use it for seasons. We usually travel in summer. Months. I got married in December. We use it for weeks. They will come to visit in 2 weeks. We use it for parts of the day. I like to go for a run in the morning. Centuries and general times. Life was different in the 18th century. We will see changes in the future. Now, let's look at on. It is used for more specific time, like particular days. Dates. We met on the 1st of January. Days of the week. I'll see you on Monday. Holidays with day. We had a big dinner on Christmas Day. So, all holidays with day, like Easter Sunday, we use on. We also use on for the expression on time. He arrived exactly on time. Now, let's look at. We use it for precise time, exact times. Here's an example. The bus leaves at 7 o'clock. I feel tired at midnight. We always watch the sunset at dawn. We also use at for holidays without day. Here's an example. We always visit family at Christmas. So it's at Christmas on Christmas Day. At Easter on Easter Sunday. We also have an expression with at the moment. I can't talk right now, I'm busy at the moment. Now, let's look at prepositions of place. The same idea applies when talking about place. In, more general, on, bit more specific, and at, very specific. Use in for big areas and countries. For example, I live in Africa. I live in Turkey. Use it also for cities. For example, she works in Wrocław. Use it for neighborhoods. He grew up in Brooklyn. Use it for close places. There are 5 people in the car. We use in for rooms. He's in the kitchen. In is also used when something is inside books, newspapers, or documents. I read the article in the newspaper. Now, let's look at on. Use it for things that are on a surface or for public transport. The book is on the table. She's on the bus. Or she's on a train. Use on also when talking about streets and roads. Our house is on Main Street. Use on for communication and media. I saw it on social media. I heard the news on the radio. Now let's look at the preposition at. We use at when talking about exact points or specific locations. Use at for addresses. I live at 22 King Street. Use it for shops and events. Let's meet at the museum. She's studying at the library. We met at the party. Use it for home, work, or school. He's at work right now. She's at home. We also use at for talking about positions or ends. For example, at the top, at the bottom. There's a subscribe button right here at the bottom of the screen. Please subscribe. There's also at the start, at the end. The credits are at the end of the movie. We also use at when talking about being positioned at a surface. Here's an example. I'm sitting at the table. She's standing at the counter. In these cases, at means you are positioned there, not on top of it. So now, why do we say in a car but on the bus? We say in a car, in a taxi, because these are small enclosed spaces where you sit inside. We say on a bus, on a train, on a plane, because these are bigger public vehicles and you can stand up, you can walk around or be on board. And that's it. Now you know exactly when to use in, on, and at for both time and place. In the comments, write 2 sentences, one with the preposition of time and one with the preposition of place. I'll check them for you. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more clear, practical English lessons. See you next time.